Why does your scanner show the P2560 engine code? What does it mean? P2560 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine coolant level low. The P2560 engine code for Indicate Powertrain Control Module (PCM) has detected that the fluid in your cooling system has dropped below the minimum required safe threshold, or that the sensor itself is malfunctioning. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Actual low coolant level, defective coolant level sensor, wiring or connector issues, air pockets in the cooling system, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Ford, Subaru, Volkswagen, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.